In this video, we will see code implementation.
Now let's see the code implementation of rotate image. So what I will do, I will first create suppose one function and let me increase the size of it. Yeah. So let's suppose rotate. Okay. Here we have in the input we have matrix. So let me write the pseudo code like not pseudo code but yeah like language agnostic code. So n is equals to matrix dot length, and what I will do, I will simply write from I equals to 0 to that will run from I 0 to I less than method dot floor 0 to method dot floor m by 2, and so it will say I plus plus. Here for loop will start from j equals to I, j less than n minus I minus 1, j plus plus, and here I will take basically I will swap them. Temp equals to my matrix I comma j, it is I comma j, and what I want matrix I comma j to change equals to, let me copy this, okay, so that I don't need to write again and again. This should be last to temp. Okay, let's see. Temp equals to matrix I comma j equals to n minus, remember, n minus I minus j, n minus I minus j, and here I. Now n minus I minus j should be equals to n minus I minus 1, right? N minus I minus 1 and n minus I minus j ni n minus 1 minus j. So here it should be n minus 1 minus n minus j minus 1. Okay, I should make it like everywhere same, right? N minus 1 minus j or n minus j minus, it's n minus j minus 1. Okay, so yes, I comma j will be n minus j minus 1 comma I, then n minus j minus 1 comma I will become n minus I minus 1 and n minus j minus 1. Now this n minus I minus 1 a will become matrix j and n minus 1 minus I. So this will become j and n minus I minus 1, and the n minus I minus 1 will become whatever that is stored in temp. Yeah, this will be our approach 1. Yes, simple. So this will be my approach 1. Now let's discuss the approach 2 here as well, right? What will be the approach 2? So in approach 2, what I will do, I will again n is equals to matrix dot length. What we will do, we will let me write it. We will first transpose and then we will reverse the rows. Okay, this will be basically my approach. And let's see, let's first transpose. So I will start from 0, okay, to I less than n minus 1, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, and then for j that will start from I plus 1 to j less than n, and then j plus plus. Okay, then temp is equals to matrix I comma j, right, this one. Then matrix I comma j will become j comma I, j comma I. Okay, and then matrix j comma I will become temp. So matrix j comma I will become temp. Yes, this is what about my transpose of a matrix. Now what I will do, I will please say for I is equals to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and then it will be reverse of, let me call this reverse function, the reverse function of matrix I. And let me now tell you what will be inside my reverse function. So function reverse will have, suppose, one array, and what I will do, I will simply reverse it. So L pointer that is pointing to 0, R pointer that is pointing to array dot length -1, and then while we have L pointer less than R, then temp equals to AR of L, then AR of L will become AR of R, then AR of R will become again temp, and then we have L plus plus, and then we have R minus plus. Yes, that's it. This will be your reverse function. This is how you will reverse, and this is how your transpose will be like. So these are what will be the two approaches. Now in the next video, let's quickly see one of the dry run of any one of the approach. So let's do the dry run of this approach one, and let's understand how these things will change.